Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust margins in Google Docs. Margins are the empty spaces around your document that make your text look neat and professional. Some schools or offices have margin rules, so this is very useful. Let's begin. First, open your browser and go to docs.google.com. Open the document you want to edit, or create a new one. Once the document opens, look at the top menu bar and click on File. When the drop-down menu opens, scroll down and click on Page Setup. A small box will pop up, and here you will see margin options for top, bottom, left, and right. These numbers represent the size of the margin in inches. To make the margin smaller or bigger, simply click inside any of those boxes and type the measurement you want. For example, if you want narrow margins, you can type 0.5. If your teacher requires 1-inch margins, you can type 1 inch all of them. After you enter your margin sizes, click OK, and instantly your document layout will adjust to match the new margin settings. If you want the same margin settings to be used every time you create a new document, click the button that says Set as Default before clicking OK. There's also another quick way to adjust margins. At the very top of your document, above the ruler bar, you'll see a light gray area. You can click and drag the little blue arrows left or right to adjust margins visually. But be careful when dragging so your text doesn't look uneven. And that is how to adjust margins in Google Docs. You can now customize your page layout for assignments, reports, resumes, or anything you're creating. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next tech tips. See you in the next one.